Zotac, a well-known name in the world of PC components, has recently unveiled the ZBOX pico PI430AJ mini PC, and it has tech enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. What sets this miniature powerhouse apart is the incorporation of Frore Systems' AirJet solid-state active cooling modules, which represent a significant leap forward in the world of compact computing solutions. The inclusion of AirJet cooling chips is a game-changer. These innovative cooling systems offer a host of advantages over traditional fan-based counterparts. They're thinner, lighter, quieter, and more efficient. The AirJet system operates by utilizing a network of microfluidic channels to circulate a liquid coolant, which efficiently absorbs heat from the laptop's internal components and dissipates it into the surrounding air. This ensures that the mini PC remains cool and operates optimally, even in confined spaces. Under the hood of the Zotac Zbox Pico, you'll find an Intel Core i3-N300 processor leading the charge. With 8 cores and a maximum boost speed of 3.8 GHz, this CPU promises robust performance. The integrated Intel UHD graphics, boasting 32 execution units, makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of tasks, from casual gaming to productivity work. To ensure smooth multitasking and efficient data storage, the system is equipped with 8 GB of LPDDR5 memory and an M.2 slot that supports both PCIe 3.0 and SATA SSDs. Connectivity is not an issue with the Zotac Zbox Pico. It offers a plethora of options, including 3 USB 3.2 ports, a microSD card reader, DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.0, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a Gigabit LAN port. On top of that, it supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring you stay connected with the latest wireless standards. This mini marvel from Zotac comes in 2 configurations, catering to different user needs. You can opt for the barebone version, which provides flexibility for customization, or go for the complete system package, which includes a 512 GB NVMe SSD, and comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home. This $500 price tag positions the Zotac Zbox pico PI430AJ in an appealing price range, offering a compelling balance between performance and affordability. It's an attractive option for users who are looking for a compact yet capable computing solution without breaking the bank. This pricing strategy reflects Zotac's commitment to providing accessible and competitive options in the world of mini PCs, making advanced technology and innovative cooling solutions more accessible to a wide range of consumers. The Zotac Zbox pico PI430AJ is now available in select regions, and it represents a prime example of how innovative cooling technology, powerful components, and a compact form factor can come together to create a cutting-edge mini PC that's ready to tackle a wide range of tasks. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or a casual user, this mini PC offers both performance and versatility in a compact package. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Subscribe to our channel. Have a great day and good luck.